A hymn to nature. On the left hand of spring, pause among dog roses, where choral voices bring bitter sweet centuries. In summer, listen yet again to the same wistful plea of an ancient congregation keeping faith with history. Inspiring autumnal places, stoic trees weeping for the tears on human faces, where winter creeping. Resuming come December, its place in nature's womb, eternal echo, a sure reminder of where we came from. Live art. Life. A dream free to come and go like a swallow on spring and autumn days, harbinger of hope, bidding peace follow and nest among human hearts, whose buds of springtime are all but ready to burst into leaf, begging nurture of human nature, no less anxious to fulfill its potential than Earth's mother hers, though its seasons ever in dispute. Life. A dream embraced and let go like a fairy tale cloud on light and darker days, harbinger of love, bidding peace follow and stay forever, feeding on the spirituality of art's deeper poetry, all but ready to come into its own, begging of the world that it open its heart to Earth Mother and enter into an expression of spirituality by its own volition. Live art. A dream's comings and goings like a feisty moon at midnight on frosted glass, harbinger of illusion, calling on sleepers to make the most of an oh so brief sanctuary, before Apollo puts us on the spot and demands we make a decision along lines of whether or not we at least try to fulfill our potential, or take on the mantle of anti-hero. Nature, forever rising above its fears. Humanity, never far from tears.